Hey y'all, welcome back to the Wicks Crew. Y'all, in this video, we're just gonna be doing a little McDonald's mukbang. Hopefully
Don't
y'all
never go to McDonald's
hopefully
on
y'all
Berkeley Boulevard.
can.
Their tea is nasty.
Why
2.5 gallons.
Why you doing to people like that?
Nah, cuz they shouldn't have did me like that.
But yeah, y'all, we got a 10-piece with barbecue sauce. What is this? Regular cheeseburgers. Why is there a fly in here? It was 4 things of fries, but yeah. And then 2 Big Macs. So, yeah. What? Scoop cup?
Eat some food now. Let's
Lord,
get it.
here you go.
Shit. Ain't that point of the video is to eat. All I'm saying, all the food gonna be gone.
No, it ain't.
You know, man, second thing I ate all day.
Hopefully y'all can see.
I don't care. The see y'all can't see. That they fault. Why see me when you can beat me?
Remember there?
Oh my God. My mama. Dang, don't move so close.
So they can see.
Up your light a little bit.
That it is.
I'm just black, I can't be like this. I blend into the chair. Yeah.
That's how I said scoop.
Nah, it's good. That ain't my fault. That's how it's supposed to be. A light skinned female with a dark skinned man. Like me.
They childish.
Yeah, it is.
Look.
It ain't nothing but karma. That's how I serve 2 chicken tenders at artists here. I give them, if they want a 5-piece, I sell them 10 of them broke. 10 of these broke things here, that's a 5-piece for me. I don't even care about them. I'm gonna eat right now.
Huh.
I can't eat heavy. So that's why I don't be eating. My son. Nigga said I love you.
Okay.
I ain't even said I love him. I ain't said that. I said, come here, let me hold you, Keith. Come on here, you can hold me, Rupert. I love you. I'm saying, I love you.
You want chicken nugget?
No. Then she was, no, I'm straight. Then he was like, you gonna be my daddy, Rupert? That man was talking about in the room. So you gonna be my daddy, Rupert? I said, you want me to be your daddy? He said, yes, Rupert. I said, what's my name? He said, Daddy. And that's what you call it. What color shit? Shit, some more shit. Man, he be talking. That's a grown man. Ain't no little child no more. He just do some childish stuff sometimes. But he grown. You see how he not getting up now, right? He a grown man.
I don't know why I'm just not focusing.
Let me help out, guys.
You know what I'm saying? I wanted to focus on the food too. But yeah, we trying to do something different. What? Babe, come on now.
I wear blood. I probably want to eat right now, though.
It is what it is, y'all.
I'm just saying, though. If you go off my facial expression, though, you'll be lost a lot of the times. 9 times out of 10.
Yeah, we are recording.
Okay. Cause you was looking distraught. You be trying to boss like you ain't. That stuff don't be bothering you, but it don't be bothering you.
Yeah, damn, can't even see it.
What is that?
It's a French fry.
No, French fry, potato chip. Tomato.
Same thing. They all potatoes.
No, they're not. French fries aren't. I mean, potato chips ain't real potatoes. They be capping to you. Saltfish. You know, it's a black lady trying to run for vice president. You know, Trump said she was like a slut.
Everybody been saying Joe Biden is weak and we need Trump. Boy, no.
Man, lie. They said Trump he wanted everybody to vote using the mail, like send your ballot sent through the mail.
That's retarded.
Y'all remember why he doing that so they can cheat, so they can be a president right again? Yeah.
I'm not voting.
I ain't neither.
Even though it ain't going.
This ain't my country. I'm gonna tell you like that. If something go down, we fleeing. We talking about me, you, my uncle. I swear to God, my uncle get us. We gone. We going to Puerto Rico or something. Yeah. You can go over there, dance half naked over this one, man. I don't care. Yeah, but we not staying here in America.
Hopefully y'all can hear me.
What, they supposed to hear you eating your food? Yeah.
No, it's not an ASMR.
Alright, then.
I'm talking about talking.
Oh. Yeah. At the same time, though. If something do happen, I'm getting up out of here. We getting up out of here. We going to China, not even China. You know they call that junk Trump be calling it the Chinese virus on the news.
Yeah. They bought the virus.
They ain't bought no virus. It was good.
I'm talking about the
Who?
The people.
Who?
Government.
Government bought what?
This virus to depopulate us.
No, they didn't.
Yes, it is.
No, they didn't.
Yes, it is.
No, they didn't.
Mm-hmm.
You just talking. You speaking off of rumors. I'm going off of facts.
Nope.
Anything I say can get pulled up. They didn't buy nothing.
Alright. How they do it?
It was created in China.
Mm-hmm.
They had people over there in China with it. Don't you know that people travel to China and stuff like that from America?
Mm-hmm.
That's how it happened, mama.
Yeah, I don't know. They're gonna fly.
That's all about. You got. That's basic knowledge. If you got AIDS and you gotta have sex with a lot of people, that you gonna have sex with one person, that one person catch the HIV/AIDS, then give it to the partners that they keep on, you know what I'm saying, having sex with. Now with this coronavirus, it might have been through one person, it might have been two people who caught it from America. But look what they did. They went different places of the world. People were still going back and forth from China to here before the coronavirus was even spoke of.
So they can't really pinpoint it.
That's what I'm saying. They couldn't pinpoint where it came from. That's what I'm trying to say. They didn't buy nothing. Now, Bill Gates and them are looking to make another virus. They said that on the public documentation. I can put it up afterwards. Bill Gates and them was like, they asked Bill Gates and his wife like, what is your opinion on citizens not taking this like the vaccination for the coronavirus and stuff like that, or not trying to get tested? That's when they was like, if something worse comes about to scare them, it's gonna make them want to get tested, pretty much. So they saying that they're gonna create some. Then when they create the thing, it's gonna be worse than coronavirus. They even have no choice but to get the treatment.
It's gonna be a chip.
Duh. That's what 666 stand for. 666 is not for the devil. 666 the number of man. The real number of man. The number of flesh. That's what 666 stand for.
We really getting real deep in
I'm just saying, cause folks they mess up about it. They be like, oh, 666, that's the devil. No, it's not. 666 is flesh. 666 is the number of man. What did God do on the sixth day? They say he did it on the sixth day. You said what?
Sorry.
You gotta sound retarded as hell. You said that on my mom.
Boy, hush.
She said the sixth day he rose. Nah, the nigga rose on the third day after he died, and God didn't rise. Jesus rose. If you wanna go through the Bible. I really don't like that type of stuff.
Why does it taste different?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Damn. Let me tell you. I'm smart. I'm smart. I be thinking about lost. I'm gonna put you up on game.
Can we be in the video? I'm gonna stop.
Stop it 1 second.
Yeah, we'll be back. Well, y'all, that's the end of the video. I know everything is gone.
Yeah, I ate up.
No. It's over here. Some people be lying, but the rest of it's what, like 2 Big Macs, what is that? Cheeseburger and 2 fries that's still left in there. But we had to, speak on some few things. Good. Look at him. But yeah, that's the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to post that, press that post notification bell so you can be notified when we upload our next video. And y'all, comment down below what y'all want to see from us next. And we'll get it for y'all. But see y'all, and we out.